see it, that's real.
You just want to get a pretty face?
Cameron is here, so
Yeah.
Cameron, please join us.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm
Okay.
gonna take a video so I remember.
This is for sharpening, you know, knives, kitchen knives, utility knives, any kind of knife.
Okay.
And what it is, I just want to point out one thing.
How are you feeling physically right now?
I'm feeling alright. I took a medication that helped.
What is this thing?
Don't. It's called a Gatco. Nice sharpener.
And you get that for a mower blade?
No.
Or this is just an example?
This is just to explain something to you.
Heroin in your senior year of high school.
Right. That's before I was even injecting heroin starting.
Were you aware?
Okay, if you look
In high school? No.
at a knife
Well, this has been
Yeah.
for a long time.
Yes, sir.
in the light,
I admit that.
Tell me where you think you're headed.
if you can see,
Where do you think this
come
is
up here,
going?
Reese.
Where you know why
It's gonna
not?
kill me.
Come to the kitchen once.
Take me.
Better
I
still
use
get
like that.
another.
That'll kill me. That makes it- that one I am.
Do you see how you can see the edge of the knife? You can see there.
Yeah.
When a knife is sharp, you can't see any of that.
Okay.
None of it. You see how you see light on the top of the blade?
Because there's little dinks and scratches
That's
in
because
there?
it's dull. It's real dull.
Okay.
But this I'm going to carry over to a lawnmower blade. So,
Celebrate.
when you sharpen things,
Yeah, I can't see that.
the key is, and here's,
She loves you. So
these are different,
she's in the hospital. She
this doesn't have anything to do with the lawnmower blade. A lot of it doesn't, but you'll understand what I'm getting at. These are different grits of stone,
Got it.
coarse to a very fine.
Mm-hmm.
But this here
because it
is,
is
you see the angle. See, when you sharpen, you start with a very coarse, that's the coarse one.
Mm-hmm.
no longer an option.
And depending, this would be for like, that's the number 11. And that would be for like sharpening, making a razor blade. See how it says narrow, razor sharp edge. For X-Acto blades, wood carving instruments, and specialty tools. But here's the deal, is that when you sharpen blades, you are, this is the least durable. This edge is the most durable. It's more blunt, it's more like this
Yeah.
instead of that.
So for a mower blade.
But a mower blade, you're putting a rather blunt, mower blades like this style of mower, these kind of blades, they don't actually cut, they sort of rip grass. And you can tell if you take a freshly cut mower like this and you look at a blade of grass, you can see the top 1/8 of an inch is kind of brown. That's because they really kind of rip it. They don't even cut. That's why golf courses use reel mowers.
What's that?
They don't use, if you ever seen those big huge decks on golf courses, they use reel mowers.
The blades are sharp there?
No, they actually cut the grass.
How?
They're like a pair of scissors.
Oh.
Whereas these kind really rip the grass.
What about the mulching blade?
Well, that doesn't really have much, that doesn't change the pitch that you're going to put on this part of the blade. But my point being with this is just this was just to give you a basic understanding of see like 15's the next 15 degrees, the next superior sharpening for fillet knives, boning knives, that kind of thing. Then 19 it's as ideal for most kitchen knives. Then let's go to 20, widest bevel, longest lasting edge for all utility, cutlery, carpet, linoleum, stuff where it's rough but you need it to be durable. It's still very sharp, you know, you're bringing in, but if you look at a razor you use for your face, those blades are super thin and the pitch is just incredibly. That's how you get a razor sharp edge.
All right.
So that's all I wanted to tell you about that.
Is this for the rough sharpen?
Yeah, this isn't going to be my final.
What do you use for the final?
That's what I'm showing.
Use that?
These.
So you're not changing the pitch at all?
No. Feel that compared to the instruction matrix.
So what kind of a disc is this?
Just these are expensive. They're 3M,
3M what?
just paper discs, sandpaper like, so to speak.
So you just... So you're
Feel
just
that.
making it
Feel
finer?
that. No, just run your hand thumb up.
Yeah, that would definitely...
Run it up like I do. Feel it? That's sharp.
Yeah.
That's all the sharper it needs to be.
So you run this down like that?
I'm just to get the burrs that furl over on it. Maintain balance.
So what did we just do here?
I put it out of balance. To make sure that the blade didn't get, you took so much off. You have to make sure it's
So if it's unbalanced, then you got to take more off?
off the others. If it went like this, then you're going to take some off this side.
Okay. Do they do this at the shop?
Yeah, they usually do. That one's done.
Now it's done?